For half a century, the grey cooling towers of Didcot Power Station have dominated the Oxfordshire skyline. But at 7 this morning, in front of the waiting crowds, the explosive charges were set. And so came slithering down a sight loved and loathed in equal measure.
It's actually quite emotional. It's quite sad, I think. It's just been there for so long.
It's been quite a sort of landscape that we've all known from when we were little, and it's a landscape that we've always looked at.
And something of a poetic goodbye. As the power station collapsed, it appeared to spark a massive power cut. Nearby pylons having their own small explosions before catching fire. 49,000 homes lost electricity, which returned an hour and a half later. For a building that's courted so much controversy, it's only fitting it went out with a bang. Seen by some as a source of jobs, others a source of pollution, an eyesore and a marvel of engineering. The coal-fired power station has been closed since 2013. During another stage of demolition 3 years ago, 4 workers were killed when part of the boiler house collapsed, something Thames Valley Police are still investigating. It delayed the 375-foot concrete towers finally coming down. For many who live here, they'd become part of the landscape. And they've left a lasting imprint in Oxfordshire. Sam Holder, ITV News.